Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to work with wafer paper, and precisely we're going to making a wafer paper bowl. Okay, so recently I had this order for a Ghanaian independence anniversary cake. So I decided to make a kente bowl for it. If you know what kente is like a popular Ghanaian fabric. Like, they have different colors and different patterns and everything. So I decided to print some kente patterns in a wafer paper and make a wafer paper bowl for the cake. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Just click on subscribe right now and turn on post notification. There's a bell right beside it. Click on that so you get notified every time I post something new. So let's get to it, guys. So I already made the first part of the bowl, so I'm going to explain in details to you how I made the second part of the bowl. So what you're going to need right now is you're going to need a steamer for the regular steamer using steaming cakes, and the wafer paper print that you already made. Okay, so what you do is you try to soften the paper a little with some steam. Be careful so it doesn't burn you. Once you put some steam on there for about maybe 2-3 seconds, it gets softer, so that way you can mold it into whatever shape you want. It's important that you let it like get kind of soft before you try to touch it, otherwise it will crack, and that's not what you want. So squeeze one part of it together, one end of the paper, and soften the other end of the paper and squeeze it all together as well. Don't worry, like, the steam makes it wet, so you don't need to add water or anything to make it glue together. Just stick it on and let it look like fabric. Look what I did. So we're going to take both ends and try to gum it together in the middle. That's what we're gonna do. Yes, kind of like that. So it's very simple and very easy. So you're going to like try to shape it as much as possible with your fingers while it is still close to the steamer. That way it is softer and easier to work with for you to get the required shape or your desired shape. So we're going to join both parts of the bowl together, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick it on together at first. You don't need to add water or anything. Normally I use water to make it soft, but the steam does the work for you. It makes it softer and it makes it more pliable. So what I did was to fix both together, and then we're going to make the middle part of the bowl. The middle part of the bowl is just a regular simple cutout, and then you're just going to stick it on and use, for this one I think I used some water, but you're using the steam just to make it soft. Actually, it's going to make it soft and quite pliable. So you're going to take that and fold it around the middle of your bowl, and that's all you have to do. It is very simple, like extremely simple, and it is so elegant. I was so surprised when it came out really nice. Okay, what I did was this first, but I didn't really like it because it looks too simple. It looks like the bowl wasn't well made or it was hanging, so I tried to make another one. So if you're making the middle, make sure you cut it as chunky as possible so you can cover a wide area instead of looking very tiny in the middle, and then the bowl will look not symmetrical. So I cut a bigger part of the wafer paper and decided to put it in the middle and see how it would turn out. And it turned out really great. It turned out really perfect. And my client really liked it. I got a lot of compliments on this. So I decided to make it and show you guys how to make it as well. Okay, so guys, once it's soft, all you have to do, you just need it to be soft. You don't need it to be wet or anything. All you have to do is stick it in the middle of the bowl and wrap the middle of the bowl, and then cut out the excess, and then put it back on the, you can put a little water on a brush on it, just so like it closes and sticks well. See how nice this bowl is, and that's all you have to do. It took me less than 10 minutes to make this. It took me less than 10 minutes because I was trying to make a video for you guys. If I was making it without making a video, it would take me even less. So it is very like really nice. So I already frosted this cake in the design of the regular Ghanaian map, the regular Ghanaian flag, sorry. So I'm trying to look for how to stick it on to make it nice. I was going to put it in the middle, but it won't look too nice. I decided to just put it by the edge and make it look like it's wearing a bow. And it's so cute, like it was so nice. So thank you guys, and I hope you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be making a lot more of this kind of videos to show you guys how to make beautiful things, you know. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed, why do you have to wait for me to tell you twice? Come on. Okay, so please click and subscribe right now and share this video to your friends, or people you think would like to learn cake decorating, because I make a lot of this video so you don't have to pay so much money learning cake decorating. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.